Yo, yo, yo! What's up, future word wizards? It's your boy Benjamin, back in action, and today we're diving into the wild world of sounds.
Technically speaking, we're exploring phonemes, digraphs, blends, and diphthongs. But yes, it should be, how do you say it, epic.
That's right, Professor J. We're gonna break down sounds like sheesh, ch, the, and make them bounce like a basketball.
I calculated a 92.7% chance that singing these sounds will make them easier to remember. Also, it's kind of fun.
From short vowels to silly blends, we've got rhymes, beats, and word power. So grab your headphones and let's get phonics funky with it.
And remember, if you can hear it, you can read it. Let the sound journey begin.
Hit that play button and let's rock those sounds.
Hey kids, ready to have fun with sounds? Let's learn digraphs, blends, and vowels together.
Alright class, let's have some fun. Listen up, let's learn each one. Digraphs, vowels, blends, and more. Sing along, let's start the score. Like a shiny shell, like a choo-choo bell, like in thick and thin, like in what's for din. Beat, like in phone so bright. Sing these sounds and you'll get them right. I says ah, like in cat. I says I, like in net. I says E, like in pig. I says ah, like in dog. You says ah, like in dog. You says like in sun. Short vowels rock, let's say them again. Oh, oi, 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 like a noisy toys. Oi, 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 like a boy with joy. Ow, 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 like a cow goes wow. Ooh, 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 like ouch right now. Like pause on a pup. Learn these sounds and you'll level up. Train, it goes so fast. Blue, it's built to last. Star shining in the night. Grow, watch it reach new heights. The drum, let's hear that beat. Plant growing at my feet. Now you know your sound so well. Digraph, vowels, blend so swell. Sing this song and say them strong. Sounds are fun, now pass it on. Yeah, sounds are fun, now pass it on. Learn these sounds and you'll level up. Train, it goes so fast. Blue, it's built to last. Your star shining in the night. Grow, watch it reach new heights. At the drum, let's hear that beat. Plant growing at my feet. Now you know your sound so well. Digraph, vowels, blend so swell. Sing this song and say them strong. Sounds are fun, now pass it on. Yeah, sounds are fun, now pass it on. Vowels blend so swell. Sing this song and say them strong.